Arun selected an integer x between 2 to 40, both inclusive. He noticed that the greatest common divisor, so we are looking at the highest common factor, which is the same thing as greatest common divisor of the selected integer x with any of the other integers between 2 to 40, both inclusive, is 1. The highest common factor should be 1. That means the number x and rest of all the numbers must be co-prime to each other. Now, if you look at the possibility of x, let's try to see how many possible values of x are there. If you take any even number as the value of x, you will realize with several other, or rather all other even numbers, it will have a common factor which will be 2, right? And hence the value of x cannot be an even number. Now look at this from a perspective of taking the number x as a multiple of 3. If you take the multiple of 3, then you will realize that it is again not possible, because there will be several numbers from 2 to 40 which are multiples of 3, and if you take the number x as a multiple of 3, then with those numbers it will have the highest common factor at least as 3 or more, right? Similarly, if you look at 5, not possible, because there are several numbers over here which are multiple of 5. 7, again not possible. 11, again not possible, because 11 is a number. Then you have 22, 33 and 44, not 44 but up to 33, you have those numbers, and the highest common factor again will not be 1, right? 13, you have a presence of 26 and 39. Look at 14, look at 15, not possible. 17, again not possible, because 17 and 34, so 17 will find 34. 19 will find 38. Now look at any prime number beyond 20, and you will realize no other number between 2 to 40 will have any factor common with those numbers, and hence this question is primarily talking about finding out the number of prime numbers more than 19 in the list of the numbers from 2 to 40. So let's quickly list down those numbers. 23 is the number. You look at 29, you look at 31, you look at 37. These are the 4 prime numbers that we have, which will not find any common factor with any of the other numbers from 2 to 40, and hence option E4 will be the correct answer for this question.